Hello students, I am Vipul Mittal and in this session I will discuss passive activity. So passive activity is defined in section 469 of the Internal Revenue Code. So section 469 of the Internal Revenue Code defines passive activity. Now it is important for you to identify a passive activity because there are special rules regarding deduction of passive activity losses. So if you have a passive activity and you incur a loss, then deduction of that loss is subject to special rules. So you need to know whether an activity you are engaged in is a passive activity or not. So let's see how it is defined in section 469 of the Internal Revenue Code. The following activities are considered passive activities. A business activity in which the taxpayer did not materially participate. So you are a taxpayer and you engage in a business activity. It is a passive activity if you do not materially participate in that activity. It is your business activity, but you do not materially participate. First thing is that, what do you mean by a business activity? It is your trade or business. So you conduct your trade or business, that is your business activity. You conduct research and development activity, that is also your business activity. You conduct certain activities because you will be starting a trade or business. For example, you conduct a market survey so that you may start a business. That is also your business activity. This market survey is also your business activity. You conduct a market research that you may start a business. That is your business activity. You conduct a business analysis because you will be starting a business. This business analysis is also your business activity. So activities that you conduct in anticipation of starting a trade or business. For example, market survey, business analysis, market research. Those are also your business activities. So when we say business activity, it is broad. It includes your trade or business. It includes your research and development activities. It includes activities that you conduct because you will be starting a trade or business. All right. So passive activity is your business activity in which you do not materially participate. Now, when do you consider that you are materially participating in a business activity or you are not materially participating in a business activity? Now, it is considered that you are materially participating in a business activity if your involvement in that activity is regular, continuous, and substantial. So if your involvement in a business activity is regular, continuous, and substantial, then it is considered that you are materially participating in that activity. Now, there are various different situations under which you are considered to be materially participating in a business activity. I'm not discussing those specific situations, those specific circumstances. I'm not discussing right now. I have discussed those situations in another video. All right. But the general rule is that if your involvement in a business activity is regular, continuous, and substantial, then it is considered that you are materially participating. Otherwise, you are not materially participating. Also, here, business activity does not include your rental activity. All right. All right. So, your business activity in which you do not materially participate is your passive activity. Passive activity also includes any rental activity. It may be real estate rental, or it may be personal property or non-real estate, but tangible. It may be furniture rental or equipment rental or car rental, or it may be real estate rental. So any rental activity I'm talking about, except for a real estate rental activity in which the taxpayer, who is a real estate professional, materially participated. So passive activity includes any rental activity, but it does not include real estate rental activity of a real estate professional who materially participated. You know what is material participation? General rule is that involvement is regular, continuous, and substantial. Now, who is a real estate professional? I have explained that in another video. So if certain requirements are met, then only a taxpayer is a real estate professional. And I've discussed those requirements in another video. All right. So what is a passive activity? It is a business activity in which you do not materially participate. It is also any rental activity, any of yours rental activity. It may be real estate rental, it may be non-real estate rental. Except your rental of real estate, if you are a real estate professional and you are materially participating in that activity, then it is not a passive activity. Otherwise, any rental activity is a passive activity. All right, students, I will connect again with another video. Goodbye.